Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the S&P 500 futures for Thursday, November 2nd. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 1st. Time is around 9:15 p.m. GMT. So, like I explained in earlier videos, for the S&P 500, I'm currently only looking at this low right here. If we want to have a wave 4 in the higher time frame for the S&P 500, then we cannot go any lower anymore than this. And then what's very interesting to monitor is actually this structure up right here. Suppose that this is a wave 4, then from here what we should see is an impulse up, because only an impulse can be the start of a potential wave 5 in the higher time frame. If we see only 3 waves up, so a corrective move up, then this is actually a good indication that this will not be a wave 4, but that we will see more downside. And what we are currently having now is then just a corrective move up to correct our downside we had earlier. So I would say here at the left side from the chart, we have a lot of possibilities actually to label this. Are we following the Nasdaq? Are we following the Dow Jones as the S&P 500? For the moment, I think it does not really matter. So let's have a look just at this structure we are having now from the low right here. And so I had a good look at it, and I would label it as follows. So I believe this here is an impulse. So this could be a wave 1, but of course it can also be a wave A. Then I believe this here is our wave 2. And this can also be a wave B, of course. And then here in between, we have a running flat structure. And then what we should have next from here, I believe we have a wave 1 up, wave 2. Then this is our 3 in the lower degree, wave 4. And I believe we are now seeing or working on our wave 5. And then this final wave here is the end of a wave 3, which should then be followed by a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up. Another impulse up from this wave 4, taking out the wave 3 high. However, if the 4 and the 5 is not following, then we simply have an A, B, C corrective structure up. And then, this corrective move can actually be enough. And then we can see again downside, taking also out this low. So what we are looking at now is the end of this structure right here. And then, what we should see for the bullish case, so being a wave 4 and the start of a wave 5, is at least a 4th and a 5th wave to complete some kind of impulse. If we do not have an impulse right here, then I believe this was just a corrective move up in 3, 1, 2, 3, and then from here we can go down again to take out this low. Okay, let's have a look what we get tomorrow, and then we will make another video. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.